Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make a taco game. Eat the taco game, part 1. First, this is the sprites. This is the road sprite, Taylor sprite, and taco sprite. Those are the 3 sprites we need. First, we're going to start with the empty road. So, when the green flag is clicked, I want it to go to this position. So, let's say go to this position, which is x16 and y minus 2, and then we want it to go to the back layer. Go to back layer, and then we're going to add a forever loop which changes the which makes the movement change y by minus 5. That's forever. And then I'm going to add a if and then operators smaller, this one, and if y position is minus 300, I want it to go to this position again. Let's do this. Let's test it first. Oh wait. Let's raise the number to, let's see, 450. Let's test it. Please work. Yes, it works. So but there's a white part, the part where the backdrop is white. We're going to change that. We're going to change that by adding another road. You don't need to add another road and code it again. Just need to duplicate this sprite. Duplicate. That's it. Going to add it here. Yes, like that. And then if we test it, we don't see the other sprite because it's right over the sprite of the first road. We're going to change the position, which is totally, let's click it. Let's see what is the position. Okay, we're going to change into 450. Let's see if it works. Okay, there's a white part over there. Okay, that is the basics. And next we are going to make Taylor. So the road is fixed. It keeps scrolling around like that. Like that. And then we're going to code Tyler. When green flag is clicked, I want it to go here. That means position equals go to 1. Let's just change the x into 0. Like that. Just like that, it goes to that position. And I wanted to change costumes into when it's walking. So let's add a forever loop. And add change costume. Let's see, switch costume to Taylor. Let's see, A, and then let's wait for 1.5 seconds, and let's duplicate here, and we're going to change into Tyler. Wait, that was Tyler B and Tyler D, like that. So it keeps repeating itself, moving like that. Isn't that great? So next we're going to make the control of Tyler. So events, and when right arrow is clicked, I want to move I'm going to make it move 20 steps to the right, and so we're going to duplicate this. Duplicate there, change into left, and then add a minus like that. That's up to it. So it moves like that, keeps moving. Okay, so next we're going to code the taco. So for the taco, we're going to code it like this. First, when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to make it go to this position. Go to this position, and then I want it to hide itself. Hide, and then go to this position. After that, I'm going to add a forever loop, and I want it to make a clone of itself. So let's see, create clone of myself, and then wait it for a whole 2.5 seconds. Like that. Let's see. And it doesn't show itself because I hide it. So I'm going to add another when I start as a clone. Let's pick show, and then I'm going to go to, let's see, the X is I pick random. I want the X to, okay, wait, that was a bad idea. Let's just tackle again, hide this thing, yes, like that. Stop. Where's the tackle thing? Let's see. Okay, tackle, I want it to go to between this. Let's just use styler. I want it to go between 150, say 100. Let's see, 120. Oh wait, it's minus 120 until 120. Let's test it out. And this one is 140, like that. Let's test it out. Yeah, so it keeps creating its own clone. And then next I'm going to make it repeat that until, so I'm going to add a repeat until the Y position, until the, let's see, the Y position is minus 110, and Y position, we need to insert Y position, and I'm going to change X by change Y by minus 10, and if, let's add an if touching Tyler, if it's touching Tyler, I want it to delete its own clone. Delete its own clone, and then add a delete clone. Okay, everybody, that's all for part 1. See me at the next part 2 or maybe part 3. See ya.